Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the delayed notifications from your OPPO Reno 15. The first thing that you have to do is to open here the settings. Now scroll down to the battery over here, and once you see the battery, scroll down till you see here the charging settings. No, it wasn't charging settings, it was power saving settings. Once you're here, scroll down, tap OPPO battery management, and select the application here from the list that you have the notifications delayed. For example, maybe not this one, but let me show you this on Block Blast. Here tap allow the background activity, and that should fix your issue. If it still doesn't fix your issue, you need to just reinstall your application, and that should be nice. But if it isn't, you need to contact device support or just reconnect to your internet. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.